Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening and welcome to my channel Infinite Learning Hub. So we are going to learn how to activate Windows through PowerShell command. आज हम लोग जानेंगे कैसे हम लोग Windows यूज करेंगे PowerShell command के थ्रू। पहले आपको PowerShell कहाँ पर मिलेगा वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा। First of all, go to search, Windows search and type Windows PowerShell. It will come over here. So right click over here, then click on Run as Administrator. Okay. And after that, write the command which will we use to activate Windows. So command आप लोग लिख लेना यहाँ से and click on enter. So it will start this processing, and now see in here you could see that there is a green mark, right? That green mark means that my Windows is already activated. If it's not green, then it means that your Windows is not activated. So what will you do? We will continue with one. I'll click on one, then it will initialize. If it's not activated, it will show that it has started getting activated. If it's activated, it will show that Windows 10 Pro is already permanently activated. So that's how you are going to activate your Windows. In this way, say if you want to know that the activation status of your computer, right? Click on 6. It will show your activation status. Oh, like here, the activation is installed, right? This will how it will show how your windows are activated or not, what is going on here and there. There are others too, like extras, help. Just put that uh, command and you will get this administration activation site. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is a trial video right now. Soon we are going to upload professional videos of many different subjects, knowledge, tricks and tips. This was just a trial that we are going to start. In this channel, we are going to post videos on both English and Hindi respectively. So धन्यवाद आप लोगों को। अगर थोड़ा वेट कीजिए, फिर धीरे धीरे यहाँ पर सब कुछ का टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स आना स्टार्ट हो जाए। थैंक यू।